Hello students, I'm Mrs. Madhavi Salodkar. Today I'm going to take 20th lecture for Business Statistics Paper 1 for SYBCom students. Name of the topic is Multiple Regression. Today we are going to see fitting of plane of regression of x3 on x1 and x2. See the example. Let x1 is equal to score in internal exam 1, x2 score in internal exam second, and x3 score in final examination. The following results were obtained for 120 individuals. x1 bar is equal to 6.8, x2 bar is equal to 7.0, x3 bar is equal to 35. Sigma 1 is equal to 1.0, sigma 2 is equal to 0.8, sigma 3 is equal to 0.9, small r12 is equal to 0.6, small r13 is equal to 0.7, small r23 is equal to 0.65. First part of the problem, find the least square regression equation of x3 on x1 and x2. Second part of the problem, estimate x3 when x1 is equal to 5 and x2 is equal to 5. See the solution. The equation of plane of regression of x3 on x1 and x2 is given by x1 minus x1 bar r31 upon sigma 1 plus x2 minus x2 bar r32 upon sigma 2 plus x3 minus x3 bar r33 upon sigma 3 is equal to 0, where matrix R is given by 1 r12 r13 r21 1 r23 r31 r32 and 1. We know that r12 is same as r21, r13 is same as r31 and r23 is same as r32. So replace all the values. So matrix R can be considered as 1, 0.6, 0.7, 0.6, 1, 0.65, 0.7, 0.65 and 1. Now if you observe the data, x1 bar is given, x2 bar is given, x3 bar is given, sigma 1 is given, sigma 2 is given, sigma 3 is given. Only unknown things are capital R31, capital R32, capital R33, which we can calculate with the help of total correlation coefficients R21, R12, R13 and R23. So we will see the procedure to find capital R31, which is equal to minus 1 raised to 3 plus 1. Now hide third row and first column. The things which are remaining are 0.6, 1, 0.7 and 0.65. So let us calculate this value. Minus 1 raised to 4, 0.6 into 0.65 minus 1 into 0.7. So which is equal to minus 1 raised to 4. 0.6 into 0.65, the value is 0.39, minus 1 into 0.7, the value is 0.7. Minus 1 raised to 4 becomes plus 1, but 0.39 minus 0.7. Sign of bigger number is negative, so R31 is equal to minus 0.31. Now capital R32 can be calculated as minus 1 raised to 3 plus 2. Now if you observe the matrix, hide third row and second column. So third row and second column, if you hide, the things which are remaining are 1, 0.6, 0.7 and 0.65. So 1, 0.6, 0.7 and 0.65. So minus 1 raised to 5, 1 into 0.65 minus 0.6 into 0.7. So minus 1 raised to 5, answer is minus 1. 1 into 0.65, answer is 0.65 minus 0.6 into 0.7. So this becomes 0.42. So the value of R32 is given as minus 0.23. Then calculate capital R33 as minus 1 raised to 3 plus 3. Hide third row and third column. So third row and third column. First reference is row reference, second reference is column reference. So values which are remaining are 1, 0.6, 0.6 and 1. So R33 is equal to minus 1 raised to 6, 1 into 1 minus 0.6 into 0.6. So which is equal to 1 minus 0.36. So value of R33 is equal to 0.64. Therefore, the equation of plane of regression of x3 on x1 and x2 is given by x1 minus x1 bar r31 upon sigma 1 plus x2 minus x2 bar r32 upon sigma 2 plus x3 minus x3 bar r33 upon sigma 3 is equal to 0. We will replace all the values in the above formula. x1 minus 6.8 into minus 0.31 divided by 1.0 plus x2 minus 7.0 into bracket minus 0.23 divided by 0.8 plus x3 minus 35 into 0.64 divided by 0.9 is equal to 0. Now to solve the equation further, we will find the constant terms. So this value is nothing but 0.31 only because divided by 1. So it will remain minus 0.31. Divide 0.23 divided by 0.8. So the answer becomes minus 0.2875. And third ratio 0.64 divided by 0.9. The answer becomes 0.7111. So we will solve the equation further as x1 minus 6.8 into minus 0.31 plus x2 minus 7.0 into bracket minus 0.2875 plus x3 minus 35 into 0.71111 is equal to 0. Now we will open the brackets minus 0.31 x1 minus into minus becomes plus 6.8 into 0.31. The answer is 2.108 and minus into minus becomes plus. So minus 0.31 x1 plus 2.108. Now multiply this term with x2. Answer becomes minus 0.2875 x2 plus minus into minus becomes plus. 7 into this value, the answer is 1.61. So minus 0.2875 x2 plus 1.61 plus 0.71111 x3 minus, now multiply 35 with the value 0.71111. It will be negative term. So minus 24.885 is equal to 0. Now we want the equation in terms of x3. So first of all, we will collect all the terms which are containing x1, x2, x3. So minus 0.31 x1 minus 0.2875 x2 plus 0.71111 x3 minus 21.1705 is equal to 0. Still the equation is not in terms of x3. So to find the equation in terms of x3 is equal to, we will keep the term 0.7111 x3 on left hand side is equal to 0.31 x1 plus 0.2875 x2 plus 21.1705. So we will divide all the three terms by 0.7111. So x3 is equal to 0.31 divided by 0.7111 x1 plus 0.2875 divided by 0.7111 x2 plus 21.1705 divided by 0.7111. So if you perform the divisions, the equation becomes x3 is equal to 0.43 0.5944x1 plus 0.4043031x2 plus 29.771480. So this is the equation of x3 on x1 and x2. So first part is over. Second part of the problem, to estimate x3 when x1 is equal to 5 and x2 is equal to 5. So x3 cap is given by 0.435944 into 5 plus 0.4043031 into 5 plus 21.771480. Now to get the final answer, first of all we'll multiply this term with 5, second fraction with 5 and 29.77 as it is. First of all multiply and then add the values. So x3 cap becomes 33.9727. See the second example. With a view to determine meteorological factors which give rise to significant variation in yield per acre of a crop, the observations on following variables were recorded. x1 is yield in kilograms, x2 is rainfall in millimeter, x3 maximum temperature in degrees Fahrenheit. The results obtained were as follows. x1 bar is equal to 103.9214, x2 bar is equal to 93.9714, x3 bar is equal to 99.7357. Sigma 1 is equal to 24.4492, sigma 2 is equal to 45.4930, sigma 3 is equal to 2.9315. R12 is equal to 0.4104, R13 is equal to minus 0.7357 and R23 is equal to minus 0.2326. First part of the problem, obtain the equation of plane of regression of x1 on x2 and x3. Second part of the problem, estimate x1 when x2 is equal to 98 millimeter and x3 is equal to 102 degrees Fahrenheit. See the solution. The equation of plane of regression of x1 on x2 and x3 is given by x1 minus x1 bar r11 upon sigma 1 plus x2 minus x2 bar r12 upon sigma 2 plus x3 minus x3 bar r13 upon sigma 3 is equal to 0. Where matrix R is given by 1 r12 r13 r21 1 r23 r31 r32 and 1. Replace all the values which are given in the problem statement. We know that r12 is same as r21, r13 is same as r31 and r23 is same as r32. So R is equal to 0.4104 minus 0.7357, 0.4104 1 minus 0.2326 minus 0.7357 minus 0.2326 and 1. Now we have to find capital R11, which is equal to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1. Hide first row and first column. First reference is row reference always. So if you detect first row and first column, the values which are remaining are 1 minus 0.2326 minus 0.2326 and 1. So R11 is equal to minus 1 raised to 2, 1 into 1 minus 0.2326 into minus 0.2326, which is equal to 1 minus 0.05410.276. So answer is 0.9459. Then we will go for the value R12. According to the procedure, it is equal to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2. hide first row and second column. So first row and second column, if you detect, the things which are remaining are 0.4104 minus 0.2326 minus 0.7357 and 1. We'll solve it further as capital R12 is equal to minus 1 raised to 3, 0.4104 into 1 minus 0.2326 into minus 0.7357. So minus 1 raised to 3 becomes minus 1. 1 into 0.4104 becomes 0.4104. Minus minus minus. So 3 terms are negative. So final answer will be negative. Multiply 0.2326 with 0.7357. The product is 0.172382. So if you subtract the value, the answer is minus 0.2393. Then third part of the problem, third requirement is capital R13, which is equal to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 3. Hide first row and third column. The values which are remaining are 0.4104, 1 minus 0.7357 and minus 0.2326. So minus 1 raised to 4. Multiply these two terms first. So 0.4104 into minus 0.2326 minus 1 into minus 0.7357. So minus 1 raised to 4 becomes plus 1. This product will be negative. So minus 0.09545904 plus 0.7357. So the final answer is 0.64024. So the equation of x1 on x2 and x3 is given by x1 minus x1 bar r11 upon sigma 1 So equation is given by x1 minus x1 bar r11 upon sigma 1 plus x2 minus x2 bar r12 upon sigma 2 plus x3 minus x3 bar r13 upon sigma 3 is equal to 0. So equation becomes x1 minus 103.9214 into 0.9459 divided by 24.4492 plus x2 minus 93.9714 into R12 value is minus 0.2393 divided by sigma 2 value is 45.4930. So replace the values here in the equation. Plus x3 minus 99.7357 into 0.64024 divided by 2.9315 is equal to 0. So we will find the division first. So equation becomes x1 minus 103.9214 into 0.0386883824 plus x2 minus 93.9714 into minus 0.0052601499 plus x3 minus 99.7357 into 0.2184001364 is equal to 0. So open the brackets. The equation becomes 0.9 0.038688382 minus multiply 103.9214 with this fraction, the value becomes minus 4.020550867 minus 0.005260x2 plus 0.494303653 plus 0.218400x3 minus 21.782290 is equal to 0. So we want to express the equation in terms of x1 is equal to, so 0.0386883824x1 minus 0.005260x2 plus 0.218400x3 minus 25.3085377 is equal to 0. So the equation becomes x1 is equal to 0.5260 divided by 0.038688838 x2 minus 0.2184 divided by 0.038688838 x3 plus 25.3085 divided by 0.038688838. So x1 is equal to, perform the divisions, 0.135958x2 minus 5.645105x3 plus 654.16380. So this is the first part in which we have to calculate equation of x1 on x2 and x3. In the second part, we have to estimate x1 when x2 is equal to 98 and x3 is equal to 102. So x1 cap is given as 0.135958 into 98 minus 5.645105 into 102 plus 654.1638. So if you take the product first and then add according to their signs, the value of estimated value of x1 is equal to 91.6868924 kg.